We've seen how presidential power has grown. Now we confront the central question of accountability. What happens when a president is accused of serious misconduct? The ultimate constitutional answer is impeachment, and the recent history here is genuinely extraordinary. Recall the mechanism from our Congress chapter. The House impeaches, formally charges by simple majority. The Senate tries the case, and conviction and removal require a two-thirds vote. That two-thirds bar is the key. It's extraordinarily hard to clear, which is why no president has ever been removed through this process. And no president has tested this system like Donald Trump, who was impeached twice. The first impeachment in 2019 charged him with abuse of power and obstruction of Congress, arising from his pressuring of Ukraine to investigate his political rival. The Senate acquitted him in February 2020, with all but one Republican voting to acquit. The second impeachment, in January 2021, just days before he left office, charged him with incitement of insurrection in connection with the January 6th attack on the Capitol. The House passed the article with 232 votes, including 10 Republicans. The Senate trial, held after Trump had already left office, produced a 57-43 vote to convict 7 Republicans joined all Democrats, but that still fell short of the two-thirds required. The Senate then considered barring Trump from future office, but dismissed the question as moot. Trump's return to the presidency in January 2025 raised novel and profound questions about accountability, and the most consequential development was a Supreme Court ruling. In Trump v. United States, decided in June 2024, the court held in a 6-3 decision by Chief Justice Roberts that former presidents have absolute immunity from criminal prosecution for actions taken pursuant to their core constitutional powers, and presumptive immunity for all other official acts. The practical effect was sweeping. The decision effectively foreclosed the prosecution of Trump for the acts charged in Special Counsel Jack Smith's indictment over the 2020 election, and combined this with the Justice Department's long-standing position that a sitting president can't be indicted at all. And you get a framework in which a president can act during his term with minimal fear of criminal accountability afterward for official actions. Critics argued this constituted a fundamental alteration of the constitutional accountability structure itself. So the very mechanism designed to hold the executive accountable has, in practice, proven extraordinarily difficult to deploy.